I want Nordy to be next to me. Should I have Nordy right here? Ow! Oh my god, I just smacked myself in the head. Are you listening to me?
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you. You think I'm talking to them? They can't talk back to me. I'm wearing a pink shirt in front of the pink tree. I didn't even realize that. My favorite color is green, so I'm in pink. Are you Snapchatting me? Welcome back to my channel. Thought that I would sit in front of my amazing Christmas tree. Super proud of it. If you hear anything in the background, it's Casey working on the computer. Even though I told him to go and not do this while I'm filming. It's okay though. I can't be too mad at Casey because we went on an Ulta shopping spree. So he bought me a few things. We're going to do a haul right now. One of the things that we got is this lipstick that I'm wearing right now. It's by Morphe, super cheap. It was $12. It is called Hot Shot. That's like drugstore price. Pretty good quality so far. And then I got this blending brush from Morphe. It's the M433. Pretty, it reminds me of the MAC 217, which is my favorite. More of my favorite concealer, which is the Age Rewind by Maybelline. And I use the color Light Pale. Oh, I got another blending brush. Oh, I got two of these. Oh, I didn't even know. That's surprising. That's a nice surprise. Another Morphe liquid lip. This one is the color Vanity. Literally a Stacy color. Next, I restocked on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I am in the shade, I say caramel. Casey says caramel. Where from? Everyone says caramel, but technically I think it's caramel. That's the shade that I use. I got the Desi and Katie Friendcation collab by Dose of Colors. And the packaging is beautiful. It matches the bulbs in my tree. Beautiful. Oh, these are Casey's favorite because he got to pick them out. Casey really likes the Stila liquid eyeshadows. I have a couple of them, but there's only one that I like really wear and he like loves it. I let him pick out other colors. He picked out the Vivid Sapphire, the blue one. Right there. Oh my god. I picked this one out. This is Livid Labradorite? I can't even say this. Oh, you don't have your glasses. Do you have your contacts on? Mm-hmm. You do? What's that say? Labradorite? We both went to college, but we can't pronounce that word. It is like a smoky, like silver, cool toned color. And then Morphe makes their like own version of these. There's like 2 different sets that you can get, and each one comes with 3. And you don't get to pick like what, you know, the colors are. You just get to pick like the set that you want. We have Days. And these are all liquid eyeshadows. So that's Days. It's just like a basic, like neutral. And then this one is Poppin'. I don't know if you guys can see right there. And then the last one, this is the one that really got me. This is why I picked this one. It's called Flicker. I think it has like a green like hue to it. So of course that's why I picked it. That one right there. My hand just looks so pretty right now. It's all glittery. Okay, moving on. Oh, this bag's big. Okay. I got this palette by ColourPop. It's called Rendezvous. Reminds me of like tropical things. Oh, Kylie. So I never have tried Kylie in my life. So this one is Boy Bye, which I really like that name. Get it? Like boy bye. Like girl bye. Swatchy, swatchy, swatch, swatch, swatch. Right there. Boy bye. And then this one I'm really excited about. I was like obsessed with it right when I saw it. It's called Surprise Me. Right there. It looks like it's similar to what I'm wearing right now, but it's not. If you actually saw me in person, you'd realize that this is like a red, orangey kind of thing, and this is a hot, hot, hot pink. Right, what else did I get? I replenished Naked Skin Urban Decay color corrector. I usually get the pink one of these, but they didn't have it. So I got the peach one because it's very, very close. And what I do is I put this on under my under eye before I put on concealer. And believe me, like once you turn 30, you look like hell, literally. I mean, you turn 30 and it's just like downhill from there, I swear. You have bags under your eyes, so when you wake up, you put this on, and then concealer, and it's amazing. And there's been times where I've woken up before and like, I just don't have time to do any makeup at all, and I don't really care to wear makeup, but my bags are so dark that I'll literally just put this on, like blend it in with a beauty blender, and then just go, so that I look like a little more alive instead of like a character from The Walking Dead. And then I got a Morphe highlighter, which I've never tried Morphe highlighters before. Wow, why did I make this packaging so hard on everything? This color is called Lit. I mean, I definitely dipped my finger in there twice. Ooh, wow, that's really pretty though. That's 2 dips of my finger. But I feel like if you were to spray like Fix Plus on that, like you would just be a complete disco ball, which is what we all strive to be. At least I do. Then we got some lashes. My new favorite lashes are by Kiss. Like these Couture, Lash Couture, whatever their line. I'm obsessed with this line. So I stocked up on some of my favorites. I got Gala, which is my absolute favorite. And then I've never tried this one before. It's called Teddy. And then this one this is the Fifth Avenue collection. And it's called Grandeur. And wow, it looks very drag and very Stacy. Is that it? Is that what I got? I feel like we got one more thing. We'll just have to go back and get more. Casey whispers, because I don't know why, like when the camera's on, he just like freezes and like whispers. And I have to like crank up the volume when I'm editing, and it pisses me off. But he just said in your dreams when I said, let's go back to Ulta. You need to talk, like speak up. You need to speak up. Oh, can you grab my new balm cosmetic stuff right there?
Balm?
Balm.
Balm?
Balm. The balm. Don't talk about balms on my channel, please. I'm a member of Cosmoprof because I'm a licensed esthetician. And so I went there and they sell it there, and they were having a huge sale on it. So I got 2 things. It's called Balm Desert, and it's their bronzer, and it's called Take a Dip. They always have the cutest names, like the cutest names. And then I got, these are my favorite things because they're just like such a play on words, and I think it's so, so cute. And so this is Meet Matte Nude. And so these are all matte shades, obviously, because it has an E right here. Yeah. Here, let's see this white one. I'm just curious. Yes. Oh my god. I didn't swatch this finger because it has the highlight on it. But they have like funny names like Matt Hung, Matt Abdul, Matt Wood. Aren't those funny? Casey's not laughing, so I don't know if he thinks it's funny, but that's fine. That is it. I'm never filming a video with you like right next to my face ever again. Has everybody met Nordy? This is Nordy. I think I might have introduced him before. But this is from my friend Jessica. She gave him to me for Christmas last year. And he was in the baby section of Nordstrom. And I just fell in love with him. We were there getting a baby gift for a baby shower, and I just really fell in love with him. I wanted him for myself, and so she bought this for me for Christmas, and so we named him Nordy after Nordstrom. And so I think that he's just like, it's a moose, you know, and it's perfect. It's Christmas time, so he goes on the couch. Alright, so anyways, that is it for my haul. Until next time, until Casey wants to go and have another shopping spree with me. You're not... Oh my god, he never responds. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and let me know how you liked it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!